Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explain the code about the previous video, the ASMR video. And I'm so sorry about the bad audio quality. I bought a new microphone. I'm recording with it right now, and I hope the quality is better. So let's go. First of all, here we have our imports like TkInter, of course, for the GUI. Then we have MoviePy and PyTube to download and convert our video. Then some function about us module to remove the video file, and then Shuttle to copy the MP3 file in another directory. So we have all our our music in the same directory. Always when we press the button to download, our file will be moved in our directory, and then threading to execute the function without lock the TkInter button. As you can see here, if I run the code and then click inside the box and then click download, the button is with the green light. It's not pressed, so it is not gray. And the thread function helps to do this. If I remove it, this is the result. So if I remove the thread function and then paste my URL here and then download, I cannot do anything. The window is locked. I cannot press any button. See? So come back to the previous. Okay. Then let's run again. Let's close this. Here, if I press the download button, I can move my window. I can press clear. I can do everything I want. I don't have to wait for the download. Next we have this class. I always build one because um, it's it's comfortable to create some window, some external window, like this one. For example, if I go in the menu and click help, then contacts, I can show another window that basically is this top level window, and here I can put a label, button, tree, everything I want. In this case, I place a text. You can contact the producer by email too, and this is my email address. Then we have our main class. Of course, the init function to set the title, in this case YouTube downloader, the geometry, our icon. I simple edit the logo of YouTube when YouTube doesn't work. Then some parameter here, and then the font of our text, and then some function to execute at the start. Let's see this one. OnStart function basically is the widget that contains our GUI. So we have here the menu, then your label. So this text here. Then we have the URL entry, where we can paste our URL. Of course, I had a bind function here, so to this function here, pasted. So if I click on the box, it pastes here the last one copied, the last one text copied in the clipboard. Then we have this function, read from Zoli. Where is it? Here, read from Zoli. That is here. uh, so basically I open this file franzoli.dat. Then I look for what I need basically. Let's see, I have xdir, then output dir. So xdir is where after I coded this one, I build in a next file. So when I execute my program, it asks me to select the directory where the x file live in. So because when I download a video, this video will be in the same directory of the exe file. Then I remove this video from the directory, where is it? And then, of course, before removing, move this the converted video, uh, the MP3 file, to my dear music. So at the end of the video I will run an simulation for you, but you can also find it in the previous video that I published. So I look for my xdir and my output dir and try to print this result. If there is some error, if I cannot find this one, I will manage directory function. So what this function does, first of all, pop up. So if I remove this line, okay, here there is my pop-up. Select the directory where the exe file lives and then press K to continue. So I go to my hard drive, then to my directory. Here I have my exe file, but you cannot see it because I see only the directories. So I select this dir. Then I select the output directory, so I go in music, and then I can download. So I write this information here. Previous I deleted them. So let's move on. After we have the download button that is linked to our download function that is here. Basically I check for the URL entry, if it's empty or it doesn't contain the first word of the YouTube URL. I will display invalid URL. But if there is a valid URL, I can download the video and then convert it to MP3. This is our function. Basically, see the docs of the PyTube lib to understand more, and then I convert it to MP3. And then, as I mentioned before, I move and remove the file. So I go to my franzoli.dat file, then I look for my xdir, so I can delete it, and then I remove the file and move it to the music directory, and then I print down on the screen. And this is all what the function does. Here I have some extra function that loads the external screen, that are this one. One is the email, and the other one is a disclaimer. This program has been made by Gabriel, that it's free and bare email. It is able to download audio from a YouTube video. So I made my exe file here, and this is it. I click in the box my URL, then click to download, and this is my directory as mentioned before. Here I have my MP4 video. Okay, see, where is it? The MP4 video is no more. I have deleted, and here I have my MP3. Move it in my music directory. So the program works, and you can find the source code on my GitHub link. Feel free to leave a comment below. Bye. See you in next video. Thank you guys.